This is the river where we collected our sample. So, how to detect and remove cyanide from water. The determination of cyanide is very important, not only in electroplating parts and when containing waste, but water, but due to its toxicity. Also in water samples in general. Oh, wait. and okay, if the concentration of the cyanide in water is less than 0.05, that water, you can drink that water without any problem. So, but if it is higher than this amount, that's where the problem comes. So, we decided to do our analysis using titration. We could have used potentiometric titration, but our instrument there in the lab was not working properly, so we decided to do it manually. So this is our reagent that we used, and then we prepared our sample. We mixed our sample with sodium hydroxide and then silver nitrate as a titrant. So the concentration of silver nitrate is 0.1 molarity. So you can see the formula is C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2. That we're gonna use to calculate our concentration after we found our titration value. Yes. So after we found our titration value, silver nitrate 25 for the first titration, 25 mil, and then we calculated our C2, which is our unknown concentration in that sample, and then we found 0.25, and then the second one we found 25.80. You can see our precision is very good. So our average, and then we did the average. Our average is 0.254. You know how to calculate average. This is the concentration that we found in that river. And then you can see earlier on I talked about if the concentration of cyanide is greater than 0.05, and you see this is greater than 0.05, which means it has an effect. The class one is not to proceed.
Thank you, sir.